Mr. President, I'm regaining the floor now.
Yes, Mr. President.
But I'm glad, actually, I'm
Yeah,
glad
they
that
should. They should give
a
the
lot
option
of
to the
our
people what
colleagues
they
are
want.
interested in
If
how
they want condominium or if
and
they
how
want the land.
the
Parehong
4P
advocacy natin
4PH
dyan,
program
good gentlewoman.
will
Kahit
come
di
into
lang
fruition.
sponsor.
Kasi I'm reading, Secretary, I'm reading the President's budget message. Ito po, page 22. The Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino 4PH program, the administration's flagship program for housing. Yan po ang sabi niya. Pero ito lang po, dito tayo, babalikan ko yung mga numbers na naman ninyo. Sabi ng Presidente, this program will address the housing needs of 1.4 million Filipinos, etc. 1.4 ang nasa mind ng Presidente. Your plan is 3.2. Bakit? Ang layo rin ng goal niya, sa goal ninyo, then original goal niyo, 6 million pa. Nag-uusap po ba kayo, Mr. Secretary?
0.4 lang. Ngayong taon yun. Okay. Mr. President, yung binanggit daw ni Presidente na 1.4 million ay yung target as of now. Samantalang yung 3.2 ay yung adjusted target ng department for the next 4 years or 3 years hanggang 2028.
Isn't the Secretary just the alter ego of the President? I mean, what's the target of the President? 1.4. Sinabi niya isang budget message niya. This program will, so future tense, address the housing needs of 1.4 million Filipinos. And he's referring to his own flagship housing program. So what is the real goal? Kaya pala, well, ulitin ko to, no? This is not a good reflection on the sector or the department. Sa SONA nga ng Presidente, ulitin ko, hindi nga kayo na-mention eh. Ibig sabihin nun baka ang Presidente mismo hindi impressed o hindi believe sa publicly stated goals po natin.
Mr. President, yung 2028 target ng DSUD na 3.2 million aligned dun sa NEDA. Yung budget message naman po kasi ni Presidente is for 2025 and yung kanilang target na 1.2 million is also for 2025. Shared po yun ng department at ng secretary bilang nga pong alter ego ni Presidente.
With
Well,
the indulgence of the minority leader, if I may, just one question.
Can I complete my thought?
Okay.
Kasi kung 2025 yun, ang sentence, yung part of the sentence kasi na hindi ko binasa, sinabi niya na there's an allocation of 1.8 billion pesos. And then you mean to say, sabi ng sa mind ni Presidente, ang beneficiary ng 1.8 billion pesos ay 1.4 million Filipinos? Imposible, Mr. President. 1,000
Mr.
pesos
President.
per head.
Hindi
Mr.
rin po.
President, kaya?
Kinukuha ko po yung
Mr. President,
saktong datos.
So, yes, go ahead, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Have you started the construction of the houses for 1.4 million Filipinos?
Not yet, Mr. President.
Oh, when will you start? The President has already mentioned